Hey guys, welcome back. We're gonna do the blindfolded slime challenge. So we're gonna need a blindfold. I'm using an Hakuna Matata. I'm sorry. An Hakuna Matata shirt. You can use this pin, but you don't have to. Baby powder, and you're gonna need your activator. My activator is Gaines, and I'm making I'm doing blindfolded fluffy slime. So you're gonna need shaving cream. I'm using the brand Barbasol Original. And if you want to make your slime cool, you're gonna need some food coloring. I'm going for like a purple, teal, or orange. So now I know what I'm going for. I'm going for purple. And you're gonna need some glue. And you're gonna need a spoon. And you're gonna need a bowl. Just put my bowl in front of me because I know what I'm going for. Okay. So since I know what I'm going for, I'm gonna try really hard to get that color. Okay. Hold on. Okay. Alright, this one is not. Let me set up something. Right. Lay down to put my blindfold on. Okay. Let's get to the video. Okay, where's my bowl? Where's my bowl? Okay, hold on. Let's bring this up. Okay. My spoon, where's my spoon? Okay. Where's my spoon? Okay, here's my spoon. I think, yes. Where's my spoon? Here's the glue. Okay, I'm guessing this is glue. Okay. I'm pouring. I don't even know if there's anything here, but I think so. Okay. Okay. There. Now, food coloring. Okay. So, hoping this is purple. Okay. Hoping this is purple. Okay. Hoping this is purple. Okay. So I'm going for purple. Okay. I'm going to mix. Okay. Shaving cream. Okay. Whoa. Okay, that's it. Spoon. Okay. I don't know if it's gonna mix really good. I won't know if it's mixed really good, and I don't even know if you can see this. Oh wait, is the camera even on? Okay, yes. Okay, I just wanted to make sure the camera was on. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab the, hopefully this is game, not Downy. Okay, I hope I put some. Okay, I feel like it's thickening. I feel like it's thickening. No. I feel like it's still a little sticky, but it's not really sticky. I don't even know how much I put. Okay. Let's hope that it's not sticky. Like super sticky. Okay, this feels a little bit too wet. This feels a little too wet. Okay, feels a little wet. And I feel like this is starting to get a little sticky now that I'm kneading it. I feel like it's either getting sticky or I'm not kneading it well enough. Okay, I feel like it's kneading well. I feel like I'm kneading well, but it's just the way it is. I'm not using the baby powder because, like, you know, it's hard to use it. Okay. I feel like this is my slime, and this is good, and it's purple, and I did not cheat. Okay, and I'm hoping this is like a purpley color, so let's take the blindfold off. Yay! It is purple. Mama! Mom!
What?
I went for a purple slime, but blindfolded. Guess what it came out?
What?
Guess.
I don't know.
It's either magenta, purple, teal or orange.
Orange.
Wrong. It came out purple. Mom. Mom. It came out purple.
Cool.
You know, right? And this purple's actually pretty cool. Come check it out. Come check it out. Thanks for watching my video. Comment down below if you think I did a good job at making this or if I did a bad job at making. And like, subscribe, and if I did a good job, say I did a good job. If I did a bad job, say I did a bad job. If I did a medium job, say I did a medium job. And I'm trying to get this off my bowl. Because, like, you know, I want my bowl clean. You know how I am. Clean bowls makes us happy. Okay. Thanks for watching. I'm just kneading this really good. Okay. It's kneaded really good, and I like the texture, and I like the crackle. Bye. Love you.